Hello, today we are going to discuss some important topics about global warming. Our first topic is about the responsibility of developed countries about this problem.
Well, it's very important to highlight that nowadays the country that produces more pollution is China. But in the other hand, is investing more money in renewable energies, even than the United States itself.
Presently, the European Union has an objective. They proposed to electrify the entire continent by 2035.
But that does not exempt them from the responsibility they have about begging on the one most polluters in the world.
Okay, that's true. It's also we know that some countries use it to send to trash to poor ones, such as Bangladesh.
Yes, that is morally questionable.
There could be someone who regulates this type of activities.
Sometimes I look at the amount of garbage that human beings generate. I start to think about how much of this garbage reaches our seas.
It is alarming. Fortunately, people and especially companies have realized this and have begun to make changes.
Yes, but some companies do in countries where the laws are more flexible. For example, in India, it's very common to see rivers being polluted by factories.
Uh, and what kind of actions should governments take to mitigate this crisis?
I believe that small actions have big results. If we start at home, for example, turning lights off when we are not using it.
Or maybe educate older and younger generations about the situation that we are facing right now. The more awareness we are, the easier will be to cooperate.
Impose more actions to people who contaminate the most, including the bike companies and als celebrities.
Mm, the goals proposed at the international level must also be met.
Yeah, but some politicians don't believe in climate change, such as Trump in the USA or Bolsonaro in Brazil.
Usually, there are economic interests involved. It is not convenient for them to lose money.
Some prefer to buy fines rather than invest in reducing their carbon footprint.
Well, at the end of the day, there are many factors that can support the fight against climate change.
The important thing is that as humanity, we are to solve this problem.
Also, that they realized that this is a problem that will affect our lifestyle in the future.
And that if we do not take urgent measures, perhaps we will reach a point of no return.